Okay, let's say you come to a city which speaks Portuguese, like Rio, the city where I live right now, and you want to know how to get somewhere. Or even worse, you get lost. What do? You're in the right place. I'm gonna teach you that. Hello everyone, it's Raff here. Welcome to Informal Portuguese. I'm gonna teach you that Portuguese is an easy language. Well, directions. Let's say you came to my city, Rio de Janeiro, and for some reason you got lost. Okay, you must know how to ask politely, how to go somewhere. But first, here's a tip for you. You should look for a police officer to ask for information. If not, you go in a store or go inside a shopping mall and ask someone for information. Don't ask people walking around on the street. So first expression you have to learn. Please, I'd like to know. Por favor, eu gostaria de saber. Let's try to say it one more time. Please, I'd like to know. In Portuguese you say, por favor, eu gostaria de saber. Fluently you would say, por favor, eu gostaria de saber. So if you want to say, please, I'd like to know where this place is, like pointing on a map. Por favor, eu gostaria de saber onde fica este lugar. Where this place is, onde fica este lugar. Okay? Fluently we would say, onde fica este lugar? And then you point on the map. On the other hand, if you know the name of the place, you just say the name of the place instead of saying este lugar, this place. So for example, onde fica o pão de açúcar? Pão de açúcar, sugar loaf, you know that? It's a tourist attraction here in my city. So, onde fica o pão de açúcar? Where is the sugar loaf? Onde fica o pão de açúcar? Another important expression is if you're lost, you say, I'm lost, can you help me? Eu estou perdido, pode me ajudar? I'm lost, eu estou perdido. Pode me ajudar? Can you help me? So, fluently you would say, eu estou perdido, pode me ajudar? Please, I'd like to get to. Por favor, eu gostaria de chegar no. One more time. Por favor, eu gostaria de chegar no. So, please, I'd like to get to the subway station. Subway station in Portuguese you say metrô. So, it should be like, por favor, eu gostaria de chegar no metrô. Or you can change subway station by other words, like bus stop, parada de ônibus, taxi stop, parada de táxi, shopping mall, shopping center. You say in Portuguese shopping center, people understand. We call it mall, we call shopping. I'd like to get to the park. Eu gostaria de chegar no parque. Or to the beach. Eu gostaria de chegar na praia. Or to the zoo, eu gostaria de chegar no zoológico. So park, parque, beach, praia, zoo, zoológico. If you want to take the Uber, for example, you can ask, where can I get the Uber? Onde eu posso pegar o Uber? It's like we have the Uber stop here, or a taxi stop, or anything. So, onde eu posso pegar? And then you say the Uber, the taxi, ônibus, bus, metro, subway, so just say the word. Where is the nearest subway station? Onde é a estação de metrô mais próxima? One more time. Onde é a estação de metrô mais próxima? Where's the nearest subway station? Fluently you would say, onde é a estação de metrô mais próxima? What station do I get off at? Qual estação eu desço? What station do I get off at? Qual estação eu desço? Fluently say, qual estação eu desço? How distant is that? Qual a distância? How distant is that? You just say, qual a distância? And now some expressions. For example, if people say go ahead, they're gonna say vá em frente. Vá em frente means go ahead. Turn right, vire à direita. Turn left, vire à esquerda. So, turn right, vire à direita. Turn left, vire à esquerda. Someone says, right after the bank, in Portuguese, the person should say, é logo após o banco. Right after the bank, logo após o banco. Or, someone can say, it's next to the subway station. é próximo da estação de metrô. It's next to, we say é próximo. It means it's next to, é próximo. So, did you understand today's lesson? Okay, I have a test for you, so hang around, let's do it. Alright, so now let's practice a little. Let's suppose that you are right here, and you want to get to the Italian restaurant. So you go and ask someone, like, can you help me? Pode me ajudar, por favor? That means please. Can you help me, please? Pode me ajudar, por favor? And someone's gonna say, claro, o que você precisa? It's like, of course, what do you need? And you want to say, I want to get to the Italian restaurant. So, eu quero chegar no restaurante italiano. I want to get to the Italian restaurant. Eu quero chegar no restaurante italiano. Ou, como eu posso chegar no restaurante italiano? He's gonna say something like that. Go ahead, Bond Street. So, in Portuguese, it's like, vá em frente na rua Bond. Street é rua, okay? There's a roundabout. In Portuguese, you call rotunda. Roundabout is rotunda. He's gonna say turn right. So, vire à direita. Vire à direita means turn right. On King's Road, né? Na rodovia Kings. Então, na rodovia King, vire à direita. Go ahead, vá em frente. Ok? Cross the street, atravesse a rua. That means cross the street. And the Italian restaurant on the right. O restaurante italiano à direita. Guys, memorize these words. Right, direita, left, esquerda. Okay? Now one more just to practice here. Let me go back. Okay, let's suppose you're here, same place again, but you want to get to the, let's see, to the cinema. Let's say you want to get to the cinema. So, same thing, go to the police officer, someone else, and say, Olá, pode me ajudar? Hi, can you help me? And the person can say, of course, claro. O que você precisa? What do you need? And then you go, eu quero chegar no cinema. I would like to get to the movies. Eu quero chegar no cinema. And he's gonna say, vá em frente na Bond Street, vire à esquerda, na rodovia King, vai adiante, logo após o teatro, right after the theater, remember, logo após, right after, logo após o teatro, ok? The cinema on the left, o cinema está à esquerda, alright? Good practice, now you can play the way you want. Okay, everybody, that's it for today. Don't forget, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. You can share this video with other people. And if you want more videos like this about tourist information, how to ask for stuff in Portuguese, put here in the comments for me, all right? That's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. Kisses, hugs, be sharp.